Hello everyone, it's Wade Scott, Delaware Elder Law Center. Here at the center, we help protect assets from the devastating cost of long-term care for families and individuals. We help families navigate care management issues by providing support and guidance that leads to peace of mind, and we always work on the underlying estate plan. Right now, I'm reporting to you in the middle of the coronavirus here in Delaware, and the majority of Delaware citizens are under a stay-at-home order. As an elder law attorney, my practice is deemed an essential business serving the public. That's why we're still open. I've noticed that there's some trends developing I wanted to share with you. We're just having a lot of incoming calls and emails where our clients and members of the community are starting to ask a lot of the same questions and express the same concerns since everyone's ordered to stay home. One theme is adult children are saying, I was just getting started on trying to figure out where to get care for my mom, and now I have to stay home. What am I going to do? How am I going to figure this out? Others are, I can't go visit my mom, but I'm concerned. What happens if she gets sick and is not able to make her own decisions? Am I allowed to make them for them? Can I take over for her? What do I do? A lot of people are saying, well, trying to get my mom's documents in place have always been on my list, but this coronavirus is just like, I can't put it off anymore. I mean, do I have options for this? One adult child called me up and said, my mom was in rehab and we thought she was going to come home, and we just learned that Medicare is going to stop and she can't go home. I mean, how are we going to pay for a nursing home? And so I guess what I'm noticing is, even though a lot of us have to stay home, and everybody is just stunned by this. Everyone's been touched by it. Everyone's scared. But certain things aren't going to stay at home and not subject to the order, so to speak, and that is, if a parent needs care, they need care. And at some point, how are we going to pay for it? Is there the opportunity to protect for assets? And this is what people are sharing with us, and I thought it would be helpful to let you know this is what we do. The Delaware Elder Law Center can be a point of contact where we can talk about the issues. I can bring to your attention issues that your family has that you might not be aware of, because someone needs assistance with activities of daily living. Then I can talk about options for addressing those issues. If we can't address them as an elder law attorney, we're going to put you in touch with someone that can. We always provide next steps to families. One of the trends that I'm going to predict right now is, more than ever, the long-term care Medicaid benefit is going to be extremely important for a lot of American families. You remember, Medicaid is a benefit for the disabled. Long-term care Medicaid, there's multiple Medicaid benefits, but long-term care Medicaid is for the disabled, not the indigent. Disability means you need assistance with activities, at least one activity of daily living. If you meet the medical requirement, yes, there's financial limitations, but we can protect assets and get your loved one on Medicaid. There are options. And so take a deep breath. We're easy to find. We can get documents in place, even remotely if we have to do it. We can talk to you. We can communicate and interact with you remotely. It's not that hard to do. This is becoming standard kind of in an overnight time frame. Don't be afraid of it. Reach out to us. We're here. Thank you so much.